right, team, let's get these tanks positioned. Copy that, Cap. Where do you want the offload? Same spot as yesterday. Easy now, keep it coming straight. You're almost on the sand. According to the survey, the highest concentration is right over there.
All right, let's move out towards that ridge line.
Watch your step with that crate. Clear. Where do you want the main unit, boss? About 50 meters northwest, near that ridge.
Set that pallet next to the water drums.
Copy that. We need the tent poles next. Grab the other end of this frame, will you?
Pull the left corner tighter. Got it. Secure the base now. All right, team, we'll deploy in 3 sections. Character B, take the east ridge first.
Understood. We'll start mapping the elevation changes immediately.
Good. Let's move efficiently and stay hydrated.
Precise temperature mapping of the desert sand is essential before drilling begins.
Lock it down, make sure those stabilizers are secure. Final check on the valve, then we are good to go. Valve secured. Let's spin it up. Move the crane to sector 4.
Copy that. Sector 4. We need more water over here.
Align the threads. Bring it down. Got it. Secure the wrench. We hit it. We finally hit it. Yes, water! Look at that flow. It's beautiful.
Water extraction from deep beneath the desert makes agriculture possible in this harsh environment.
All right, lowering the bit now. Keep the pressure steady. Pressure looks good. Control is stable. We are clear for descent. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the far end. Looks good from here. Keep it steady. All right, easy now. Bring it down slow. Watch the flange. Okay, set it down. Lower it slowly. Watch the connection point. All right, easy now. We need that secured before the next section arrives. Secure the main coupling. It's secure. Starting the pump now. Pressure nominal. We're clear on the alignment here. Bring it down slow.
Roger, moving to station 4.
Okay, lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the east side.
Got it. It's almost seated.
Power levels stabilizing.
The pressure is holding. We have flow.
Oh.
Excellent work, team. The desert pipeline is operational. Keep moving it to the left. Okay, hold it there. We're clear on this side.
Black presents Hubert Recoleman Hyges. The audio features loud industrial and mechanical noises, including crane operation and welding.
Look at the consistency here, sir. It's much better than the last section.
Yes, but check the moisture retention. We need to ensure deep tillage.
Okay, you are aligned, right there.
Yeah, get a bit.
Copy that, setting the pin now.
Keep it straight on this row.
Almost there, setting the valve now. We need more stakes over here.
We must inspect the irrigation lines immediately upon arrival.
Agreed. The heat is taking a toll on the new crops.
Eggplant seedlings are prepared in a protected nursery within the desert site.
Mira qué saludables se ven. El sistema nuevo funciona muy bien.
Look at the color on these. They're ready.
Yeah. Absolutely. I'll start pulling this section now.
Good plan. The moisture levels are perfect here too. How many more trays for the truck?
200, maybe 300. Keep them coming. Bring those trays over here quickly now. Watch your step on the sand. We need more hands on the far row.
Keep the pace steady, everyone. Next row, move up. Keep the pace steady, everyone. Ensure the roots are completely covered before moving to the next section.
We need more water over here. Bring the next crate down this row.
Ándale, muchachos, sigan así. Fila 5, listos. Traigan más plantas.
The water distribution seems adequate here.
Yes, but check the salinity levels on this row, Sarah.
We adjusted the drip timers yesterday. See how the veins are yellowing? This is late stage fusarium.
It's already in the main crop over here.
This area here, it is spreading fast. We need a flag immediately.
According to the map, this is a new cluster.
Mark it down, Anwar. We check the next section now.
System check complete. You're clear to power up.
Roger that. Stand by for rotor engagement.
The undersides are fully coated.
Good. The tablet shows consistent application rates throughout this sector. The recovery rate here is better than expected. Look at the leaf structure.
Agreed. I'll get a sample from this spot and compare it with the baseline data.
After treatment, the eggplant plants show healthy recovery with vibrant leaves and strong growth.
This one measures at 18 centimeters.
Noted. The color saturation is impressive for this climate.
Check the density on these further down the row. What do you think about this one?
It's perfect. Deep color, firm skin. Let's move on.
All right, everyone, let's get started. The heat is rising, so move quickly through these rows.
Look at the size of this one.
That's a beauty. We'll fill these baskets before noon.
If the wind doesn't blow us away first. Keep the pace up, we have a lot more rows.
Almost done with this basket.
Put them in this one. That other crate is full.
See, you cut it clean right there at the stem. That's what they're looking for, good quality.
Got it. I'll try the next one.
Make sure you get the ripe ones at the back there.
All right, I got them. These baskets are getting heavy.
We need more crates down here. Yeah. Bringing them now. Make sure you get the ones under the leaves. Bring that empty one over here. Watch out, coming through. We need more crates on this side.
We'll fill this crate quickly at this rate.
Good, I'm ready for a break.
Keep the large ones separate over there.
All right, how many baskets left?
Just 2 more.
Bring the next one over here.
Careful, it's heavy.
Almost full.
Up. Got it, passing.
Clear, send the next one. Make sure the netting is secure.
Looks good back here. All set to go.
The harvested eggplants now travel from the desert field to the processing facility.
Move the pallet to the right, watch the edge. I have the next crate ready. Clear the path, moving in.
Check the underside on those. Okay, moving these to standard.
Bay 4 is clear, move the eggplant crates in.
All right, watch your step.